Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to verify account on Robinhood 2026. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your device. When you sign up for a new account, the app will guide you to verify your identity. Tap Continue to begin. You'll then be asked to enter your full legal name, including both your first and last name. Once done, tap Continue. Next, enter your date of birth, followed by your Social Security number SSN. After that, provide your residential address and select your citizenship status, meaning the country you belong to. Once you've filled in all the required personal details, you'll need to upload identification documents. This could be a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. In some cases, you may also need to upload a recent utility bill or bank statement to confirm your address. Finally, turn on two-factor authentication, 2FA, to keep your account secure. Each time you log in or make changes, Robinhood will send you a verification code via SMS or an authentication app. And that's it! Once everything is completed, your Robinhood account will be successfully verified. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.